What's up, Sea-Doo fans? Welcome to the Sea-Doo showroom. My name is Jonathan, and I'm a specialist here at Sea-Doo. Today, I'm here to walk you through the top 5 Sea-Doo maintenance and care products that will ensure every ride is your best ride. Living your best Sea-Doo life means you're out on the water as much as possible. These products are designed to minimize the time you spend maintaining your Sea-Doo and maximize the time you spend doing what you love, riding your Sea-Doo. They'll ensure your watercraft not only runs correctly, but is also the best looking one out on the water. So let's get started. We all know engine performance is critical to adding that extra level of excitement to your ride, and oil changes are a vital part of engine care. The recommended oil change interval for most Sea-Doo PWCs is annually or every 100 hours, whichever comes first. It's probably no surprise that the first item on our list is the XPS oil change kits. These are available for all Rotax 900 ACE and 1630 ACE Sea-Doo engines. Each kit includes everything you need in one box to complete an oil change yourself. In the box, you'll find an oil filter, O-rings, and the exact amount of XPS synthetic blend oil needed for your specific Sea-Doo model. It literally could not be any easier with everything you need included in one box for such an essential part of PWC maintenance. Next is the XPS Marine MultiSurface and Glass Cleaner. This is your everyday use light cleaning solution that takes seconds to apply. It's a waterless cleaning solution that you simply spray on and wipe off. It's safe for any surface on your Sea-Doo, including paint, vinyl, glass, plastic, and chrome. It cleans seats, dashboards, handlebars, or plastics, removing dirt and grime easily without damaging your ride. With its unique polymer solution, it leaves a protective finish that makes the next cleaning even quicker and easier. Now, from time to time, you might find your watercraft with some tougher stains, such as waterline, mildew, or grease stains, which can be a little more difficult to remove. In that case, we recommend using XPS All-Purpose Cleaner and Degreaser. This is another all-purpose solution that can be used above or below deck, and even inside your Sea-Doo's engine bay. It's safe and effective to use on vinyl, fiberglass, gel coat, canvas, non-skid rubber, plastics, and more. It removes waterline marks, fish blood, and food stains with ease. This product is very easy to apply. Just spray on the area to be treated, gently scrub with a soft bristle brush, and wipe clean with either a dry or wet cloth. And simply rinse clean with water when you're done. Now, once all the surfaces on your Sea-Doos are nice and clean, we really want to make that finish pop. That's where XPS Spray Wax comes in. It's perfect to get that deep, head-turning shine on any acrylic or glossy Sea-Doo finish. This simple spray-on solution is different from the typical waxes you find in your local automotive stores. It uses a unique nanotechnology approach combining hydrophobic polymers and wax to get superior surface penetration and adhesion. That's really just a fancy way of saying it bonds better with the surfaces of your Sea-Doo and offers long-lasting protection. To apply, start by making sure the surface is clean, then give it a shake. Using a dry wax applicator, apply a thin layer over the gel coat and allow about a minute to dry. Then, wipe clean with a dry microfiber cloth. While the spray wax is great for keeping that shiny gel coat finish, we haven't forgotten about all the owners out there with Polytech hulls. For all you Polytech owners, we recommend the XPS Vinyl and Plastic UV Protected. It's the ideal way to keep plastics and vinyl protected from harmful UV rays that can cause fading and cracking. Again, it's a simple, fast spray and wipe application. This product is perfect for both synthetic and natural rubber and all types of vinyl. Plus, it also works on fiberglass, gel coat, and even most plastics. It also has anti-static properties that repel dust and grime, keeping your Sea-Doo looking brand new that much longer. And there you have it, guys. Those are the top 5 products to help you and your ride live your best Sea-Doo life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Sea-Doo how-tos and insider info. You can also find more great content on the Owner Zone section of the Sea-Doo website. We'll see you on the water.